This is a Deluxe Conductivity Meter Model 601. Deluxe Conductivity Meter Model 601 is a solid-state instrument designed to provide precise conductivity measurements. Some of the unique features of this instrument are 3 soft touch keys for ease of operation, auto temperature compensation facility, and a digital display. The instrument is supplied with a conductivity cell, operation manual, dust cover, temperature probe, conductivity stand, and 12-volt DC adapter. On the main unit we have a 4-digit 7-segment LED display. Micro-Siemens indicator LED indicates that the conductivity value is in micro-Siemens range. Millisiemens indicator LED indicates that the conductivity value is in millisiemens range. Degree Celsius LED indicates that the temperature value is displayed. ATC LED indicates that the temperature probe is attached and ATC mode is on. Cell constant LED indicates that the instrument is in cell constant read mode. Conductivity LED indicates that the instrument is in conductivity read mode. Temperature LED indicates that the instrument is in temperature read mode. Mode key is used to select conductivity cell constant or the temperature mode. Up key is used to increment values on the display. Down key is used to decrement values on the display. At the rear side of the instrument we have banana sockets used to accept the conductivity cell, semiconductor input socket to connect the temperature probe, and on-off switch which is used to switch on the instrument. Dip the temperature probe in the solution under test. Select the temperature using the mode key. The display shows the temperature as read by the temperature probe. Check the temperature with the calibrated thermometer in which the temperature probe is dipped. Press up-down key successively to set the measured value from the thermometer. If the difference between the current value and the required value is large, then keep the up-down key pressed as the value will change at faster rate. When the required value is reached, release the up-down key. After 5 seconds, the set value will be automatically accepted, giving a beep, and the display will stop blinking. The temperature probe is now calibrated at desired temperature. Press mode key successively to select the conductivity mode. Dip the conductivity cell in the solution under test. The display shows the conductivity of the solution under test. Press up-down key successively to set the standard conductivity value. When the required value is reached, release the up-down key. After 5 seconds, the set value will be automatically accepted, giving a beep, and the display will stop blinking. To read the cell constant, select the cell constant mode using mode key. The display will show the new measured cell constant value. Dip the conductivity cell in the solution under test. The instrument does the range selection automatically and displays the readings in the most appropriate range. Whenever a range is changed, the display digit starts blinking. The value of conductivity displayed is with respect to the reference temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, and the cell constant of the conductivity cell used. Thanks for watching the video.